this is G-Dog right now. So you got the little race suit on.
Oh yeah, I'm ready.
So you ready? Huh?
I can't get the door unlocked.
Maggie, Rosemary, and Thomasine.
So you bring all your homegirls out here?
Yeah.
So how old are you again?
92.
You're 92 years old, and we got a truck over there that got about 800 horsepower.
All right.
So you want to ride us on that get about 800 horsepower?
I want to see it. Yes.
I got a seat better than that for you. So you got your helmet and everything too, or you just got the race suit? You got your gloves, you have the suit on.
I just don't have a helmet.
Okay, but we could go there. I'm gonna drive you around down on the side of the road over there, and then you should have a good time, right?
Thank you. That's what I want, a good time. Once in a lifetime.
Once in a lifetime. 92 years old, and she want to ride with a Donkmaster for the first time.
Yes.
Out here at
Are
Fast
these
and
your
Flat.
kids?
Yeah, this is my son. This is one of my sons out here right here. That's his homeboy that he see every year at the track.
Your grandma Veronica is my favorite.
So they steal my hair all the time.
Yeah.
So So what you think today? What do you think you want to expect today?
Well, I'm expecting an exciting ride.
Okay. That's you right.
Yes, indeed. An exciting ride. You see
I mean, you look good. You got everything together, man. And it fit good too.
Jenna told me what to put on.
Everything fit good.
Yeah.
It look good.
Told me what to put on. So
Oh, no, we're gonna take some pictures by the truck and I'll tell you about what we got in this truck over there.
All right.
So you know what's going on. Okay, let's take pictures by the truck over there. This is a 1968 C10 truck, but it has a Whipple Supercharger. And it's got a new Corvette style engine, which is an LS engine. But this truck makes 800 horsepower.
Wow.
So it's faster than the Corvette, it's faster than the Mustang,
Wow.
it's faster than all that. I mean, it'll pin you to the seat when you go to take off.
Wow.
So what's the fastest car you ever rode in?
Well, when I was young, my aunt used to take me to the Indianapolis Raceway. Yeah, I didn't ride in them, but I was excited to see them.
Okay.
And I always said, well, of course, I think I brought them down here at about 100 miles an hour.
About 100 miles an hour? Yeah. Oh yeah. Are you a driver? So she was driving.
She'll take it over today.
So you were driving with the suit on all the way down here. Oh yeah, and you.
Yeah, well, only because a friend wanted to take a picture who couldn't come. I was going to come just comfortable, but
Okay. Okay. Well, this look good. So we can take you around in this right here today, so you can feel it, and I'll drive you around and see what's going on with it. But I know you can put a couple cameras and stuff in the inside, and then we can put cameras on the inside of the car. Yeah. And then you get a cruise and something that make about 800 horsepower today.
Now, what year is this now?
This is a 1968.
I had a 67.
For real, a truck, C10 truck?
No, I had a 67 Chevrolet. I see that's a Chevrolet.
Oh yeah, this 67. This 68 Chevrolet C10.
Yeah, I had a 67.
Chevrolet C10?
In Chicago.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And what year you was born?
33.
1933.
Yeah.
Okay, 1933.
Spent most of my adult life in Chicago.
And then you moved to South Carolina when?
Well, no, I was in 2 or 3 other states before that. I retired at 65 from Philadelphia.
Okay.
Yep, been down here ever since. Yeah.
Okay, that's good. That's really good. Huh?
Glad y'all excited.
Oh no, let's see what's going on. I just want to see. My mama told me about it. I was like, yeah, I'd let her ride in the car. Cause she was like, you want to let her drive? I said, I don't know. What you doing? You can drive. You definitely can ride the car for sure. Yeah, we definitely can do that for sure. I definitely can do that for sure. Perfect. Yeah, we can take a picture right here too. You want to take a picture right here?
One of these
No, that's it. She said do it again.
I love fell off.
Yeah, she got a ride. You welcome, mama. You welcome. She said she can cross it off her bucket list. Yeah, she is 92. What did you say? She 92?
92.
92 years old. She got to cross off her bucket list.
Walking.
Yeah, she got out walking.
Oh my God.
See that?
Love it. Thank
There you go. You're welcome, everybody.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You got the whole race suit on you. Cross off the bucket list.
Yes.
That's how you get to cross off the bucket list.
Okay. All right, she did it. She did it. I'm ready. The picture of racing.
Yeah.
Put her on the picture. He didn't let me drive, so I had to pretend.
Yeah.
No. You had to.
Yeah, she said do it again a couple times.
Oh, yeah.
That's why I had to burn it out right through him.
Oh, yeah.
And that's all she wanted to finish. Nah, not yet. We just went down the side. Uh-oh. Y'all see what time it is? The Q1 package in for the giveaway MC. Y'all know about to mount this thing up, man. The roosters are on the way. I'm gonna drop a picture of them. They're on the way. Listen, y'all see what's going on. Shout out to Q1, man, for always keeping all the suspension good on all the giveaway calls. And if y'all need some, hit us up. We are authorized dealer. But until then, click the link and get your tickets, baby. Dang, that thing clean.
And get your G-Dog 803 shirts. If you want to get your G-Dog 803 shirts, go to gdog803.com. A limited quantities available, man. Once they sold out, they sold out. Hottest shirt on the market, man. Get you one.
You are watching a master at work.